Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by naming the schedule and deciding its purpose so every entry has context. Collect constraints like working hours, time zones, and fixed deadlines. These shape available slots. Next, pick the calendar platform you already use or that integrates with your tools and connect accounts. Once done, create a calendar layer or project-specific calendar and set default visibility and notification preferences so entries are consistent and discoverable immediately. You now populate the calendar with blocks that match your priorities. Start by adding fixed commitments, then block focused work windows and buffer time. This prevents overruns. Apply colors or labels to types like meetings, deep work, and reviews so visual scanning is instant. Set accurate durations and add recurring rules for repeating items. Once configured, copy or drag blocks to other days. Make sure to include transition buffers between events to reduce context switching and maintain realistic daily capacity. You finish by reviewing the whole week and adjusting overlaps or unrealistic loads. This is where the schedule becomes dependable. Share the calendar with collaborators using appropriate permissions and add reminders and contingency slots for critical items. Export or sync with devices so entries appear everywhere. If conflicts arise, check time zone settings and duplicate calendars. Resolve by consolidating or changing permissions. Finally, audit weekly and tweak recurring patterns so the schedule improves over time and stays usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.